Damn it.
Oh, hey, look what I have, Ben.
What do you have?
Shirt.
Oh, you suck at that.
Oh!
Oh my god. The giggles. The giggles.
I wish I could have seen that.
Oh my god!
I wish I could have seen that from your end.
I just start walking over and like, well, I'm out of here. You okay there, buddy?
Oh, I don't feel so good. He's everywhere and nowhere at the same time.
I just took my dagger back from the face.
Oh no. That was so disorienting. I'm actually kind of dizzy from doing that.
It was when Scott comes in, you all need it, like when she comes up, just go, she's pretty.
When she walks into the room, you got a pretty mouth.
Yes!
Scott was right about you. You still got all your teeth.
Oh, don't worry, Scott. They'll be
apparently.
Ow, I just got hit in the face with a staff. That really fucking hurt.
You are not Donatello, so you may not do that.
You are not Donatello.
I actually blocked Christian.
Turtle!
Oh god!
Turtle! God, just beat the shit out of Christian.
Shredder!
Turtle! Oh, hey, guess what? Somebody's got wood! Got wood!
Oh god! Oh god! Swinging! Swinging!
Oh god! That was hilarious.
You scared the absolute
Chicken nugget!
out of me.
Wood!
Chicken nugget!
Chicken nuggets!
Oh Jesus!
Wood!
Chicken nuggets!
No! No wood! No wood!
Christian!
Wood! Wood!
It looks so funny when you say it and swing at the same time.
Sword! Oh, fuck, that was so funny.
100% yes. Oh god, that was awful. I just want one reason.
There is no reason.
Because we're having fun.
Did you
You smell funny. Alright guys, I have an idea. Everybody get on the Agatha team and be archers with pebbles.
Oh, dude,
I don't know if I'm on Agatha or I just selected random.
I switched and joined. Alright, guys.
Fine, I'm on Agatha.
Pebbles!
Alright, I'm
Well,
going lead ball.
I'm 2 kills away from getting the last main primary weapon for the night, so I'm gonna make sure I get it.
Alright,
You guys
I-
toss pebbles and I'll run security.
Okay, you guys can toss pebbles. I'm throwing a lead ball at someone's head.
I feel happier with pebbles. I'm just throwing pebbles at the back of his shield.
Someone's not doing security very well!
Magic, hold on! I'm trying.
If that's
I'm
you,
just
Nate,
throwing
I'm gonna be
pebbles at
super
him.
pissed.
Yeah! Yeah!
He's over there, get him!
Get him! He just fucking stood there and he baseball swung. There he is!
Ah! Yeah, I got all the stuff for the night.
No! As the pebble bumps.